Dubai, one of the 7 Emirates of the United Arab Emirates, is a dazzling metropolis known for its modern architecture, luxurious lifestyle, and a wide range of attractions. For first-time visitors, Dubai offers a myriad of experiences, from iconic skyscrapers to cultural gems. Here are some of the top attractions and places to visit. Burj Khalifa. This iconic skyscraper is the tallest in the world and offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks. It's a must-visit for anyone coming to Dubai. The Dubai Mall. Located at the base of the Burj Khalifa. This is one of the world's largest shopping malls. It features an indoor ice rink, a massive aquarium, and a wide array of high-end stores. Dubai Fountain Show. Just outside the Dubai Mall, you can witness the mesmerizing fountain show set in the artificial lake, synchronized to music and lights. Palm Jumeirah. This artificial island is shaped like a palm tree and is home to luxurious hotels, including Atlantis, the Palm. It's a great place for a leisurely walk or to relax on the pristine beaches. Jumeirah Beach. This public beach offers clear waters and a stunning view of the Burj Al Arab, another iconic hotel known for its sail-like design. Dubai Marina. A man-made canal city with a beautiful promenade lined with restaurants, shops, and opportunities for boat tours. Dubai Creek. The historical heart of the city, where you can take an Abra, traditional boat, ride, visit the gold and spice souks, and explore the Al Fahidi historic neighborhood. Ski Dubai. Located inside the Mall of the Emirates, this indoor ski resort offers a unique skiing experience in the middle of the desert. Desert Safari. Experience the desert landscape on a thrilling dune-bashing adventure, followed by a traditional barbecue dinner at a desert camp. Dubai Opera. A modern architectural marvel. This venue hosts a variety of world-class performances, including opera, theater, and concerts. Dubai Parks and Resorts. A collection of theme parks including MotionGate, Bollywood Parks, and Legoland, offering fun for the whole family. Bastakia Quarter. Explore the historic quarter of Dubai with its traditional wind tower architecture, art galleries, and cafes. Global Village. Seasonal cultural and entertainment extravaganza featuring pavilions from different countries, offering food shopping and performances. The Dubai Frame. This enormous picture frame-shaped structure offers panoramic views of the city from its observation deck. All Circle Avenue. This creative district is a hub for art, design, cultural events, featuring galleries, studios, and trendy cafes. Dubai is a city that offers an incredible blend of modernity and tradition, and there's something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're interested in luxury shopping, thrilling adventures, or cultural exploration, Dubai has it all for first-time visitors. Dubai Fountain Show. The Dubai Fountain Show is a mesmerizing spectacle that takes place on the artificial lake at the base of the Burj Khalifa, right in front of the Dubai Mall. This daily performance features a choreographed dance of water jets that shoot up to impressive heights, creating intricate patterns and designs. What makes this show truly special is that it is set to a musical soundtrack, which adds a dynamic and captivating element. The Dubai Fountain Show is a must-see in the evening when it's illuminated by lights, making it a magical and free attraction for visitors. Jumeirah Beach. Jumeirah Beach is one of Dubai's most popular public beaches and offers a serene escape from the bustling city. With its soft, golden sand and crystal clear waters. It's an ideal place to unwind, sunbathe, or take a refreshing swim. The beach boasts a picturesque view of the iconic Burj Al Arab, a luxury hotel that resembles a sail. Along the coast, you'll find a promenade with jogging tracks, parks, and numerous cafes and restaurants, making it an excellent spot for leisurely strolls and beachfront dining. Ski Dubai. Ski Dubai is a remarkable indoor ski resort situated within the Mall of the Emirates, a mall renowned for its extravagance. Inside this massive facility, visitors can experience real snow, including slopes for skiing, snowboarding, and even a snow park where you can enjoy activities like snowball fights and tubing. The chilly environment offers a stark contrast to the desert heat outside. Whether you're an experienced skier or have never seen snow before, Ski Dubai provides an unusual and entertaining experience for all ages. It's a great place to escape the heat and have some snowy fun in the middle of the desert. These attractions in Dubai represent the diverse experiences the city has to offer. From the opulent and artistic in the city center to the natural beauty and adventure in the desert. Visitors to Dubai can explore the modern metropolis, relax on beautiful beaches, experience the thrill of the desert, and even enjoy snow sports, all within the same city. Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa is one of the most iconic landmarks in Dubai and the tallest building in the world. Standing at a staggering height of 828 meters, 2,717 feet. This architectural marvel offers visitors the opportunity to experience Dubai from dizzying heights. The observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors provide panoramic views of the city, the Persian Gulf, and the surrounding desert. The Burj Khalifa is not only an engineering masterpiece but also a symbol of Dubai's ambition and modernity. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an artificial island in the shape of a palm tree and is one of the most luxurious residential and tourist destinations in Dubai. This man-made wonder is home to a collection of high-end hotels, including the famous Atlantis, the Palm. It offers pristine beaches, upscale dining options, and a range of water sports and activities. The palm-shaped design, with its fronds and crescent, adds a unique and captivating element to the Dubai coastline. Dubai Marina. Dubai Marina is a man-made canal city that is both a residential and commercial district. It is characterized by its stunning skyline of skyscrapers, trendy promenade, and a variety of dining and shopping options. The marina offers boat tours, yachts for rent, and the opportunity to dine at waterside restaurants while enjoying the view of the impressive architecture. It's a vibrant and dynamic area, often referred to as the Venice of the Middle East, and it's an ideal place for a leisurely stroll in the evening. Dubai Creek. The Dubai Creek is a historically significant area of the city, offering a glimpse into Dubai's humble origins as a fishing and pearling village. The creek is a natural inlet of the Persian Gulf that divides the city into two parts: Burj Dubai on the south side and Dera on the north. Visitors can take an Abra, traditional boat, ride across the creek, offering a traditional and charming way to experience the city. The area is also home to the gold and spice souks, where you can haggle for gold, spices, and other goods. Nearby, you'll find the Al Fahidi historic neighborhood, a beautifully preserved section of the city featuring traditional wind tower architecture, art galleries, and cafes. These landmarks and areas in Dubai represent a dynamic blend of modernity and tradition. They showcase the city's ambition for architectural innovation and offer a window into its rich history and culture. Whether you're interested in record-breaking skyscrapers, luxury resorts, waterfront dining, or cultural exploration, Dubai has something to offer every visitor. The Dubai Frame. The Dubai Frame is a truly unique and futuristic architectural landmark that symbolizes Dubai's remarkable transformation from a modest fishing village to a thriving global metropolis. This massive, golden frame-shaped structure stands 150 meters high and 93 meters wide, giving visitors the sensation of stepping into a giant picture frame. At the top, an observation deck provides panoramic views of both the historic and modern sides of Dubai. The glass floor allows you to look straight down to the ground, offering a truly thrilling experience. The Dubai Frame is not just an architectural marvel but also an artistic and cultural journey that highlights the city's past and future. All Circle Avenue. All Circle Avenue is a dynamic arts and culture district located in the industrial heart of Dubai. What was once a group of warehouses has been transformed into a hub for contemporary art, design, and creativity. It hosts a variety of art galleries, studios, performance spaces, and cultural events. Visitors can explore exhibitions by emerging and established artists, attend workshops, and immerse themselves in the vibrant cultural scene. All Circle Avenue has become a platform for artistic expression and experimentation, making it a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts and those looking to discover Dubai's creative side. Dubai Parks and Resorts. Dubai Parks and Resorts is an entertainment complex that includes several theme parks and attractions, making it an ideal destination for families and thrill seekers. It features 3 main theme parks. MotionGate Dubai, a movie-themed park with rides and attractions inspired by popular Hollywood films. Bollywood Parks Dubai. Celebrating the vibrant and colorful world of Bollywood, this park offers entertainment, live performances, and cultural experiences. Legoland Dubai. Designed for families with younger children, Legoland Dubai is filled with rides, interactive exhibits, and millions of Lego bricks for creative building. In addition to these theme parks, Dubai Parks and Resorts also features Riverland Dubai, a dining and retail district, and Lapita Hotel, a Polynesian-themed resort. Global Village. Global Village is an annual multicultural festival and shopping extravaganza that runs from November to April. It is one of the region's most prominent and vibrant events, featuring pavilions from over 75 countries, each representing their culture, cuisine, and products. Visitors can explore international crafts, sample diverse foods, watch live performances, and enjoy thrilling rides and games. The festival brings the world to one place, offering a unique opportunity to experience the customs, traditions, and flavors of a wide range of cultures in a single visit. The Dubai Mall is one of the world's largest and most famous shopping malls, located in the heart of Dubai, near the iconic Burj Khalifa. It's much more than just a shopping destination, it's a world-class entertainment and leisure complex. Whether you're in the mood for shopping, dining, entertainment, or simply soaking in the opulence and grandeur of Dubai's architecture and design, the Dubai Mall is a versatile destination that has something to offer for everyone. And it's a must-visit for any traveler exploring this vibrant city. These attractions and cultural hubs in Dubai showcase the city's commitment to diversity, creativity, and entertainment. They provide visitors with opportunities to explore art, culture, entertainment, and international flavors, making Dubai a city that caters to a wide range of interests and tastes. Desert Dubai. The desert surrounding Dubai is a stunning and dramatic landscape that offers a range of experiences for travelers. One of the most popular activities is the desert safari, which involves exhilarating dune bashing in 4x4 vehicles. This heart-pounding adventure is usually followed by a serene and beautiful sunset in the desert. You can also partake in activities like sandboarding, camel riding, and even experience traditional Bedouin culture at desert camps, complete with live entertainment and a delicious barbecue dinner. The Dubai Desert is a place where you can experience the serene beauty of the dunes while also indulging in some adrenaline-pumping adventures. Dubai Miracle Garden is a botanical wonderland and a true testament to Dubai's ability to transform the arid desert landscape into something truly spectacular. Located in the heart of the city, this enchanting garden is a paradise of vibrant colors and intricate floral designs that captivate the senses and ignite the imagination. Key features and highlights of the Dubai Miracle Garden include: 1. Unprecedented floral displays. The garden is home to over 50 million blooming flowers, each meticulously arranged into various shapes, patterns, and structures. The designs change from season to season, ensuring that every visit is a unique experience. 2. Record-breaking achievements. The Dubai Miracle Garden has earned its place in the Guinness World Records for creating the world's largest floral installation, such as a life-sized Airbus A380 airplane adorned with flowers. 3. Themed gardens. The garden is divided into different themed areas, each with its own distinct character and design. Visitors can explore spaces like the Heart Passage, Umbrella Passage, and the Flowering Stars, each offering a different visual delight. 4. Sustainability. The garden's creators place a strong emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendliness. They use recycled water for irrigation and employ environmentally conscious practices to ensure the long-term viability of this magnificent floral oasis. Dubai Miracle Garden is a botanical wonderland and a true testament to Dubai's ability to transform the arid desert landscape into something truly spectacular. Located in the heart of the city, this enchanting garden is a paradise of vibrant colors and intricate floral designs that captivate the senses and ignite the imagination. Key features and highlights of the Dubai Miracle Garden include: 1. Unprecedented floral displays. The garden is home to over 50 million blooming flowers, each meticulously arranged into various shapes, patterns, and structures. The designs change from season to season, ensuring that every visit is a unique experience. 2. Record-breaking achievements. The Dubai Miracle Garden has earned its place in the Guinness World Records for creating the world's largest floral installation, such as a life-sized Airbus A380 airplane adorned with flowers. 3. Themed gardens. The garden is divided into different themed areas, each with its own distinct character and design. Visitors can explore spaces like the Heart Passage, Umbrella Passage, and the Flowering Stars, each offering a different visual delight. 4. Sustainability. The garden's creators place a strong emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendliness. They use recycled water for irrigation and employ environmentally conscious practices to ensure the long-term viability of this magnificent floral oasis. Thank yous for watching my video and subscribe.